I love the flexibility, first off. That was what initially caught my attention. The thing that is most amazing to me about Comma is this ability to build a work and a job that works for you. And Comma makes it feel like it's not a job. You're following what you enjoy doing. You're writing about interesting topics and learning about new things. And I love that idea that even though I'm getting paid to do this and it's great, that I'm able to do it in a way that works with my life. And I think the next thing that hooked me about Comma was just the mission and the idea that we're working to build our careers our way, a way that works for us and allows us to put our life first. Well, I really like making money. And so last year was very exciting for me that I have been working part-time for a while and doing contracted freelance work. And last year, because of the work that I did with Comma and some of the amazing clients I worked with, I was able to pass my full-time income. And that was a really exciting milestone for me, just to be able to understand, one, the value of the content that I was creating as an individual contributor, and just be able to make that work for my financial goals and what I wanted out of my life. I love the team environment for Comma. As a freelancer, I get so far into my head and worrying that each piece is right and ready. I love having someone at Comma that reviews my piece, that can help me think through things, that can be there to kind of truly support the clients in a way that makes me feel comfortable and produces great work. And Comma kind of stands apart because of that. I love accountability. I love having people on my team that I can rely on, that I know are going to show up and are going to just be there when the work needs to get done. And so while Comma is super flexible, and that is a wonderful benefit of that part, I think having team members that are accountable helps all of us as writers and helps the client understand and know that they truly are going to get what they need from Comma.